Hello guys, welcome to this video. This one is a requested question from the paper 2019, question number 18. So in this question, I want to show an example of how you can find the area of any triangle if you know all the 3 points of that triangle. So let's do the question. So first one, you can skip this one if you want to, but that's okay if you want to do this as well. So show that AB is equal to BC. So we have to show the length of AB is equal to the length of BC. So how would you find the length of AB? As you would know, you will do the formula, which is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Right. So for the, let's do that. So first one, AB is equal to square root. Now you will say x2 will be minus 1 minus 7 square plus y2 6 minus 0 square. Root of this is minus 1 minus 7, that will be 8 square plus the 6 square. So you will have 100, which is 10. That is the length of AB. So same thing for the length of BC. Here will be x2 minus x1, that will be minus 1 plus 1, and then square plus y2, which is minus 4, minus 6 square, that will be 100, which is 10 as well. Oh, it is 10. So we have shown that AB is equal to BC by showing that they have the same length. Now let's move on to this question. It says, find the area of triangle ABC. So in this case, usually we know triangle is usually half times base times height. That's the usual formula. But in this case, since we know A is given by 7, 0, we know B is given by minus 1, 6, and we know C is given by minus 1, minus 4. So since we know all the 3 points of the triangle, we can find the area by using a formula. So the area will be half, you will say modulus. The first point you will write 7, 0. Second point minus 1, 6. Third point minus 1, minus 4. And you end up with the first point. So that have to be the last closing point. So opening and closing are the same. Now second step, you have to multiply these two first. So you say half modulus, the first one will be 7 times 6 will be 42 plus minus 1 times minus 4, that will be 4 plus 0. That's the first step. And then minus this times this times this times this. So 0 times minus 1 is 0 plus 6 times minus 1 is minus 6, and minus 4 times 7 will be minus 28. Close bracket and close modulus. Now let's solve. So 42 plus 4 is 46 minus 6 minus 28, that will be minus 34. That will be inside the modulus. Now 46 minus minus become plus, so 46 plus 34, that will be 80. So your answer is half 80, which is 40. So your area will be given by 40 units square. So this is your formula for the area of a triangle. Well, I hope that was somewhat helpful, and as always, if you have any other questions, any requests, please let me know. I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon.